there! Welcome to this tutorial on setting up Knowledge Base. Having a well-organized knowledge base helps customers and employees quickly find information and resolve queries independently. To start with, head over to Settings and scroll down to Knowledge Base section. From the top right corner, click on Plus Article. Simply provide a title, a description, select the relevant part, and you can also select the right attributes. Now, there are 3 ways to create an article. The first one would be to write an article from scratch using the rich text editor. Simply add the content you'd like to share and click on Create. You can also link an existing article hosted on a website. Just provide the URL to the source and click Create. This option will open the link in a new browser tab, allowing your users to view the source document directly. The third option is to upload a file, either as a PDF or MS Word document. If you upload a PDF, it will open in a new browser tab. And for Word documents, the file will download and user will need to open it in the MS Word application. Once you have filled out all the necessary details, simply click on Create and you're ready to go. And that's it. You have successfully set up your knowledge base and imported content into DevRev.